What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today we got the Yeezy 500. I did get these off the Adidas app. So this is my first Yeezy 500. Never had a 500 before. So this is my first one, and we got the label right here. Yeezy 500, utility black, all black. And do check out my video right there of the Fire Red Force. I just dropped that this morning. Alright, so we got the Yeezy 500 utility black. This was more like a charcoal gray, or like a light charcoal. This is not like a black. As you can see, this is black right here, and you can see the difference. It's not like a full black. In person, you gotta see it in person. I can't explain it. It's not like, it's not charcoal and it's not black. I don't know. It almost looks like a light purple. You got to see it in person. So the bottom, you got the all black bottom, and you have the Adidas on the front right there. On the back, nothing on the back. And on the side, in the midsole, you got another Adidas right here, and the outsole of the midsole is also black. Coming up towards the medial side, you got this mesh material. Have the suede on the high lids right here, suede around the toe box. It's a nice high hair suede that do shift when you rub it. You can feel it. It's not a low grain suede. And then on the side right here, you have Adipreme Plus. Black laces. Got the hang tag right here on the left foot. Black sock liner, black insole, and you do have that ultralight insole with the Yeezy and the Adidas right there. And I think these were made September 2020. So this is a remake, re-release, just like the black and red 350 that's re-releasing on the 5th, I think. And you know, this is really re-release, so I don't need to go in depth. Really, it's not like I compare with anything or nothing like that. I didn't have the other one before that, so this is my first 500, and it does have 3M on it. I'm gonna give y'all a shot at the 3M before I get to the on foot. So let me know what y'all think about these. If y'all pick them up, y'all pass, y'all had them already, and y'all don't need them, let me know in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe if you're new, follow my social media, it's in the description. Follow my Twitter and my Instagram. It's down below in the description. So follow that. Like this video. Subscribe if you're new. And stay tuned for the on foot. So this is what the flash look like. It's all on the side panel right here, around, and it's on the front. Probably can't see it that good, but probably just gonna take a picture so you can really see what the flash look like.